APxCelerator is a cross-enterprise, feature-rich, and flexible AP automation solution that works with any ERP system, including Oracle E-Business Suite, Oracle PeopleSoft, JD Edwards Enterprise One, SAP, and McKesson. It is available in the cloud, on-premise, or as a flexible hybrid configuration. APxCelerator enables organizations to benefit from early payment discounts, lower invoice processing costs, all with 100% transparency and control. In this demo, 3 user roles will handle various tasks to approve invoices for payment. Mary, an AP Task Manager, will review open tasks to see where they are in the approval process. Sally, an AP Task Processor, will review invoices with exceptions and correct any problems. Mark, another AP Task Processor, will review an automatically matched PO invoice and complete the matching and cost accounting. All the invoices will then be ready for export to many different ERP systems for payment. The AP Task Manager, Mary, uses APxCelerator to review open tasks and see where they are in the workflow process and who is assigned work. She can see all the invoices in process from this All Tasks screen. One invoice without a purchase order number has been automatically routed to the appropriate approver. Depending on approval rules, 1 or more users may need to review this invoice. Another invoice has a purchase order, but there is an exception to be reviewed and resolved before it can be submitted to the automatic 3-way PO matching engine in APxCelerator. It is now waiting for a task processor to validate and correct the PO number. We'll now switch roles to the AP Task Processor, Sally. Sally's job is to review invoices with exceptions and correct any problems with metadata to clear the exception. Sally can see that she has an invoice in the invalid PO exception queue. Once she opens the task, the invoice image and relevant metadata is displayed. To correct the problem, Sally can click on the binocular icon to look up live ERP data to find the correct PO number. On this lookup screen, she can search the ERP data in many ways. She chooses to search PO numbers by the vendor name and types in a few characters. Once she clicks Search, she finds the correct PO associated with this invoice, selects it, and clicks Finish. She can now see that the corrected PO number matches what is on the invoice. She completes the task by clicking Finish. Now we will switch roles to another AP Task Processor, Mark, that is assigned to work on PO and receiver matching. Mark already has a few items he is working on, but can check for any new work available by clicking Get Next Task. Mark can check the Task Comments tab to see why this invoice did not automatically complete matching. This matching screen shows the remaining invoice lines to match in the upper left, the remaining available receipt lines in the upper right, and all the lines that were matched automatically at the bottom. To perform the task, Mark selects the remaining unmatched receipt lines on the upper right, then selects the invoice lines to match to on the upper left, then clicks Match. That completes the matching and moves those lines to the bottom list. The list at the bottom shows that these lines were manually matched by use of an M indicator in their status icon. Mark now clicks Finish to complete the task, but finds that some cost accounting information is missing, so he must fix this before completing the task. Mark clicks the GL Coding tab to take care of this issue. On the GL Coding screen, he can see that all the PO lines have been coded automatically, but the discount on the invoice needs to be accounted for. To add the coding for the discount, he selects the correct cost type, then enters the cost accounting information. Here, APxCelerator is validating what Mark types and comparing it to the live ERP data general ledger codes. Mark is only able to enter valid combination of codes, preventing potential later exceptions due to human error. Once Mark adds the coding for the discount, he is able to successfully submit the invoice to the ERP for payment. APxCelerator enables this organization to benefit from early payment discounts, lower invoice processing costs, all with 100% transparency and control. Thank you very much for watching. For more information, please contact your OpenText representative.